Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restrict accounts on Instagram and everything that you should know about restricting accounts on Instagram. Let's launch the app first. I want you to click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then I want you to go ahead and click on three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at the settings and privacy menu, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called how others can interact with you. As you can see in the middle almost, we have a section that is called restricted, okay? When you click on restricted, you have an option to select accounts, people that you don't want to interact with your content, you don't want them to see your content. Simply this will not let them know that you restricted them. This is very important. This works like when you block someone, they do not get notified that you blocked them, okay? Only you and the other person you restrict will see their new comments on your post. Meaning I post a new picture, okay? I restrict someone, this someone comes, post his comment, he's going to see his comment on my post. I'm going to see his comment on my post. But everyone else on Instagram will not see their post, okay? Will not see their comment. That's very good. Very, very important. Also, they will not see when you're online. So they will not be able to message you and say, you didn't reply. Or when you read their messages. For example, they message you, right? They don't know that you're online. You open the message, you read the message, but they don't get notified that you read the message. They don't get notified that you're online. So let me show you how you can actually do that. Press continue. And now you can actually, if you had already a couple of accounts that are restricted, in my case over here, right? I will unrestrict them. And now I can look for accounts to restrict. For example, let's click A for Apple. Let's say, for example, I want to restrict all of these people. All of the people that you're seeing, right, doesn't have to be your friends or followers, okay? As you can see over here, I have Apple and I can restrict Apple, even though Apple doesn't follow me. It's not part of my following list. So essentially, you can restrict public, professional, or personal accounts without any issues. All you gotta do is to click restrict, and if you want to unrestrict them, you just have to go back over here and click unrestrict. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.